What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy TC Vapes here. Got another juice to show you today, and it's that Blue Aid. Yeah, the Blue Aid. Now, this is supposed to be like a cool blue, or the Frost or whatever Gatorade, whichever one it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be like a blue Gatorade. It's a 70-30 blend. Comes with 0.3 and 6 milligrams of nicotine. Comes in these chubby 60 ml Gorilla bottles. You can find this juice over at ejuicela.com for $18.99. They sent this to me and they told me to give my honest opinion on it, so that's what I'm gonna do. Alright. So let's do a little smell check. It kind of does smell like a Gatorade, but not like 100% quart. There's something else in there, but can't really pinpoint on the smell. Now, yeah, here's what the bottle looks like. It says "Vape Your Thirst" on the back. Okay, guys, today I'm going to be using my Admiral with the Apocalypse RD8 on top. Got a 0.1 frame staple James Mucklin build in here to vape. The clouds are okay on this one. They're not the best, but they're not the worst. There's one thing about this juice, and it was nowhere in the description or anything, and I had no idea, but there is some kind of a cooling, I don't know if it's menthol, but there is some kind of a cooling ingredient in this juice, and I was kind of disappointed. I really don't like any kind of cool minty menthol, none of that kind of shit. I don't like any of that, but yeah, there's a little bit in here, but I'll get to that in a minute. I'll tell you guys in a minute. Yeah, I don't really like that. It's not like a full-blown menthol, but there is a cooling effect. Now, as for flavor, what I get off of this, I do get the Gatorade, but I get it, it's like I mixed, that blue Kool-Aid jammers, like the little twist-offs. It's like I mixed a cool blue Gatorade and I opened one of those Kool-Aid blue jammers, put them both in a cup and stirred it and then drank it. That's what I get off of it. That's what I get off of it. Okay. As for throat hit, there ain't no throat hit. It's smooth throughout the nose, and there's no throat hit. 1 out of 10. What do I give it? This one, man, I would have gave it a higher rating if there wasn't any of that cooling. I don't know if it's a menthol or what, but I really don't like that. Really don't like that menthol. I would give it a higher rating if there was no cooling effect or menthol or whatever they put in this juice. So I'm gonna give it a 7.5 out of 10, just because of that cooling effect. I probably would have given it an 8.5, or for sure an 8, maybe even an 8.5, if they didn't put whatever the cooling effect they put in here. Now, is it tank worthy? This is what I was getting to earlier. It actually is better in a sub-ohm tank, in my opinion. Like, I don't get any of that cooling effect in a sub-ohm tank. Like, I only get it in my RDAs. Like, in the sub-ohm tanks, I don't get it at all. So I actually prefer this particular juice, in a tank. So that happens sometimes with some juices to me. Like Mystery. I only like Air Factory Mystery out of a sub-ohm tank. So yeah, it obviously is tank worthy because I actually like it better in a tank. So yeah. Alright guys, that is my review on the Blue Aid. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Remember guys, be you, stay true, and vape on. TC Vape signing out to the next video. Peace.